What's going on, everybody? Today we have the stash. Well, what I picked up at first. There will be more coming, but I just couldn't wait to show off what I got. Gonna be a very, very interesting 4th of July. Gonna start off with this. Neon Sky, a raccoon fireworks. Right next to it, I have Radioactive by Fisher. I love these shells. Only had one last year, but I wish I would have got more. So I ended up getting another. I wish I could have got the whole thing, but they didn't have it, so they let me get a split case of these Neon Skies. So I ain't gonna complain. Those are pretty decent shells too. Never shot them before, but I heard great things, especially about raccoon. Moving on. Top Dog by Fisher. 18 shot, 350 gram cake. Never shot that before either. But it came recommended from a friend, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Nishiki Dragon Glass by Hardcore Pyro. Saw the video on this motherfudger and I'm gonna like it. Who don't like Nishikis? Okay, well, then let's see. I got an entire case of this. Whole case of this. Tiger King, you know. Down over here, I got an entire case of this Thor cake. See? Looking pretty gnarly. Thor or Odin or Zeus or whoever. Some god that's not happy. Right on next to it, got some candy because I got a sweet tooth. And over here, y'all know what that is. Pretty decent cake, got an entire case of it. Not too savvy. And I got this right here. It's supposed to be pretty good. I never shot it before. Little tiny ball shells. Probably nothing. New in my home, I got this 5-shot 3-inch rack. Awesome. And for that, I have this miscellaneous box of these shells to go along with it. Definitely gonna get more in, but slim pickings this time around. Still have one of these left over. An assortment of these guys. Bunch of these little things. Can't complain. And then I got a pack. I'm gonna call this the Ragnar. Pretty excited to see what them are. But we know. Now right here, King Toad. Toad King. However you want to say it. Nice. This motherfucker, I'm gonna call that Gandalf. The Chinese version. Cannot find anything on that. Extremely excited to see how it goes. We'll see if it's as good as it looks. Look at that. It's a big sucker. Then right here we have the I Am Your Father cake. Right here. We got the New Orleans special, because that's a special cake. Right over here, we have Flames of Vengeance. And then we're going to call this what my son called it when he first saw it. Death Guns from America. He's excited to see it. So am I. Well, here we have it. 2021, the beginning. Oh, wait a minute. I can't believe that I actually just left out the magnus opus of my collection. Confetti cannons, baby. By TNT, the greatest firework company in the world. Alright, let me shut the fuck up. Yeah, you know, something for the kids, you know, you gotta have something for them. I'm gonna have more coming up for them, but you know, always gotta show off something. Alright, everybody. See you soon for part 2, because part 2 is coming. You know this ain't enough. This is not enough for me. This is only the beginning. Peace out, y'all. Till next time.